Tired of the same old gym routine? Need a change? FocusPT Personal Training at E4L is here to shake things up. At E4L, we're not just another gym. We are a professional team, with a growing number of locations and facilities focused on a vibrant fitness community. We're creating fitness hubs dedicated to smart, effective training. Our FocusPT is personal. It is for you. Designed to stimulate your nervous system, crush goals, and engage all your senses, every workout is progressive. Imagine workouts that are not just challenging, but also engaging and sustainable with a coach by your side. That's FocusPT training. Walk into any E4L gym and you'll find state-of-the-art facilities and a vibe that invites you to work out. No more intimidation, no more excuses, just pure motivation. Personal training at FocusPT is where we truly shine. Our coaches create customized workout plans tailored to your fitness level, goals, and any limitations you might have. It's not one size fits all. It's all about you. Our trainers are highly qualified professionals, many certified as master functional trainers. They provide expert guidance, ensuring proper form and pushing you to new heights. It's not just about counting reps, it's about real progress. We go beyond workouts. FocusPT takes a holistic approach with nutrition guidance and mental wellness support, because true fitness is about overall well-being. Join the E4L community, where connections are made, friendships are formed, and support is always available. From group classes to community events, we make fitness fun and social. Ready to start your transformative fitness journey? Book a tour or try a session with Elements4Life and FocusPT today. Your healthier, fitter self is waiting. Let's get started.